Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout on 3DS. It's important to understand that Fallout games were never officially released for the Nintendo 3DS platform. The system's hardware specifications, including its processing power and memory, are simply not sufficient to run the complex, open-world environments of most Fallout titles. Therefore, directly playing a full Fallout game on your 3DS is not a supported or feasible option. While some might consider unofficial methods, emulating a full PC version of Fallout on a 3DS is not practical due to significant hardware limitations. The 3DS's internet browser is also quite basic, making it unsuitable for streaming high-fidelity games from services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or GeForce Now. There are no widely recognized or stable unofficial ports of the main Fallout series specifically designed for the 3DS. If you're looking for a portable Fallout experience, there are excellent alternatives. Fallout Shelter, a popular management simulation game, is readily available on smartphones and tablets, offering a similar aesthetic. For a more traditional Fallout adventure on a Nintendo system, the Nintendo Switch can access some titles through cloud streaming. Otherwise, playing on a personal computer or dedicated gaming console remains the best option. In summary, the Nintendo 3DS is not a suitable platform for playing the main Fallout series due to hardware and software limitations. For a portable taste of the Fallout universe, Fallout Shelter on mobile devices is a fantastic choice. For the complete, immersive experience of titles like Fallout 3, 4, or New Vegas, we highly recommend playing them on their intended platforms: personal computers, PlayStation, or Xbox consoles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.